Bok, kakaste. For today's video guys, we will widen more our Croatian vocabulary and I will be sharing with you the simple greetings and small phrases in Croatian. So if you're new here or you're planning to come here in Croatia, then this is for you. Because you know, simple greetings can go a long way. And everything starts in a simple conversation or simple greetings. So let's start. And we'll begin with Bok. So bok and ciao is literally means to say hi, hello, or bye. So that's the informal greeting. So if you'll just meet random people in the road or in the shop, then you can say bok or hi. But if you want to say the specific time of the day, then you can say like dobar dan. So dobar dan is good day. Or if it's in the morning, then you can say dobro jutro. So that's good morning. Or if it's in the evening, then you can say dobra večer. So that's good evening. Or if you want to say good night, then you will say laku noc. And if you want to say see you, then you will say vidimo se. So that's see you. But just like for example, you will say see you tomorrow. Then you will say vidimo si sotra. Vidimo se sutra. And if you want to say goodbye, then you will say do vidjenia. Or in the shorter version, you can say jenya. So that's bye. And if you want to say thank you, in Croatian, it's vala. And if you say thank you so much, then that's vala puno. Or in the polite one, or with respect, then you can say vala vam puno. And if you will ask them how they are, you can say how are you. So how are you in Croatian is kako si. That's informal one. But if with formal one and with respect, you can say kako ste. So kako ste. And if you answer that question, how are you? Then you can answer it by I'm good. So I'm good in Croatian is dobro sam. Dobro sam. And if you will say you're welcome, then that's nema na chemo. So that's you're welcome. And if you will say excuse me or sorry, in Croatian you can say oprosti. Oprosti. But in informal one, in the formal one, you can say oprostite. Oprostite. So I think I mentioned all. So that's like the simple greetings and small phrases in Croatian. So next time I will teach you how to introduce yourself. So also that's important. And I hope that you learned something. And vidimo se. Do viđenja. Bye.